What's up, guys? So there's been an announcement on Mineable. I was waiting for this, and I was hoping that it happens soon. So Mineable now has Casper. So you can see there. Now they offer Casper. They just listed it today, and you can use the Casper algorithm, which is the K heavy hash also. So what I did was my 5i polos that I have, I switched them up from mining Ethereum Classic and switching over to Dogecoin. That's the way I had it on Mineable. I had it, set to Mineable. So I switched it from that to now it mines Ethereum Classic, and it's being transferred over, exchanged to Casper. So I'm getting Casper with those 5i polos. I just did that right now, immediately, as soon as I saw it. And I decided to go from the mining pools that I was mining with the GPUs to a Mineable, because I wanted it all in one shot, in one pool instead of the other pool. And I noticed that all the other pools, they raised the payout from one coin, I think it was, or 10 coins, to 100 coins. So our Mineable has it for payout at 50 Casper coins, which is not too much of a problem. But I noticed that the other pools did that. So as you can see here, let me click on Casper here. Okay, K heavy hash over here. All you got to do is add this bad boy right here, K heavy hash on mineable.com, and pick your port, whatever port. I put 3333, and then you just put in your address like this, KAS ... and then put your address to your Casper here and worker name. Boom. And then if you want to use my referral code, you don't have to use the referral code if you don't want to. But if you use the referral code, it instead of the standard mining fee 1%, it'll be 1.75. It'll take like 25% off. And you can use my referral code, which would be right after worker name, you would add this pound here and put 44YJ and put this line here. I don't know what it's called, the slash line, whatever. ACKI. It's also in the description of my description. I have this in the Mineable referral code in my description of this video, so you can use it. So that'll bring down your mining fee from 1% to 0.75. And you see the payouts are from 50 KAS Casper. Okay, so this is the K heavy hash. They had added this earlier today. I made a video of it, but they didn't have Casper available. The actual coin. They had the hash, because you can see over here it says K heavy hash Casper based algorithm is now available for mining. And then I checked later on tonight, then they had the on the news, Casper KAS is now available for mining. So so I switched, I switched, like I said, my polos from ETC mining ETC Cash to Doge to ETC Cash, ETC hash, whatever, to Casper. So I swapped that up, and now I'm happy with that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later on the next video. Peace out.